Good morning. So it is Monday, July 10th. The weather looks so nice this morning. It's like warm, but it's very gloomy, and I love those kind of mornings. It just makes me want to stay home and be productive. My house is a mess, and ever since becoming a mom, it's just like hard to keep up with everything. I've mentioned that many times in my past videos. It's just been looking kind of rough lately, and I just need to clean my house. I'm gonna get some stuff done before my daughter wakes up. If you want to be like 10 times more productive, get yourself a pair of earphones. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. I think they were like 30 bucks. I only put one in so that way if my daughter wakes up I can hear her. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning because I just feel like I want to be really productive today. So if I don't start now, I'm probably just gonna end up touching my phone. So time to go and clean.
Honestly, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, care that she's cool, funny too, pretty hair. It almost seems to me you're on jealousy, but please, there's no need, I don't care, couldn't care less, I swear.
Hi, honey. Cái sữa cái chiếc ôi nè. Cái bên nhà mía. Nó tì sữa. Nó có thể tì sữa. Bacao, is this so yummy? Why you look so funny? I finished cleaning the kitchen a little bit. I'm not done yet. I still need to sweep it and mop it as well. But since my daughter is awake, I'm gonna attend to her, get her ready for the day, change her diaper, and nurse her. She actually woke up without crying, so I'm assuming she got plenty of sleep. Huh? Why are you so funny right now? She's just like staring at me. Okay, mommy get you onto your bed so mommy can make our bed. Mommy mo kasaro ka lo mommy opelo cha, okay? Okay, okay? She is getting so big now. Huh? กระตื่นใช้แล้วหรอกระตื่นมินใช้แล้วหรอมีลูกก่อน okay มีลูกก่อน so much ก็เป็นลูกมามีอ่ะก็เป็นลูกมามีมา I know you love mommy. Mommy knows. She's so cute. Her dad loves this little outfit on her. I found it while cleaning out her closet, and it's a 3 to 6 months, so it fits her right now. It's just a little long, but it gives her a lot of room to move around. I still can't believe that she is my baby. It's so weird. I have a baby. Kapapa. Kaya ko to baby oh. Kaya ko to mommy na. Good job. Yeah. I'm gonna have her do some tummy time because it's been a few days since she's last done some tummy time, so I need to have her work on her core muscles. Good job, honey. Good morning, guys. It is almost 9 o'clock and my daughter is still sleeping. I don't know what it is, but then lately it's been really hard for me to get up and pump. I got a call yesterday that my contacts came in, so I'm gonna go and pick that up today. And we're gonna go to TJ Maxx, Target. I know it seems like I've been buying a lot of stuff, which I have, but it's not all just for me. Like, I buy it for baby, I buy it for the house, and if you know me, I don't ever really shop for myself anymore, and I am really good at making sure my bills and everything are taken care of before I even start spending money. So I just want to put a little disclaimer on there so that people don't think that I'm just spending my money without actually like taking care of things. But no, I make sure that all my bills and everything are paid before I start playing with my money. One lesson I learned today was never go to TJ Maxx without your husband. Pushing a stroller and trying to put everything inside the stroller without having to push like a cart, because obviously I can't stroll 2 carts at once. This is why I go shopping with my husband, because I could push the baby, he could push the cart, and it just makes it so much easier. Like when you're trying to buy things, especially like bins. I wanted to buy some more stuff, but then I was like, you know what, I can't fit everything under the stroller because I've kind of maxed out the space already. So this is all I could do today, but I'm gonna start organizing my home so that it looks a little bit more decent. I just want it to be like clutter free. Like, I know it's never gonna be completely clean, but I just want it to look a little bit more neat, tidy, and I just want everything to have a place so that things aren't just scattered everywhere. Hey guys, so today it's Friday and it's 7:41, it's almost 8 o'clock, and for the past 3 days I've been trying to bottle feed my baby because I'm going back to work at the end of August and I need her to eat from a bottle without fighting it, and it has not been easy. We have given her a bottle occasionally when we go out. If I know we're going to be out for a long time, we bring a bottle and some milk to make sure that way if I can't nurse her, my husband can feed her, or you know, just in case of anything. And when she was born, my milk didn't come in yet. Since I'm a first-time mom, it took a while, so I would nurse her for about like 15-20 minutes and then give her a bottle to supplement, so at least she's full. And so the bottle's not new for her. She's had a bottle before, and here and there she eats from it. Not all the time. We weren't consistent with it because I was just mainly nursing her, and it's just really frustrating because they tell you not to give them a bottle within the first 4 weeks because they may have like nipple confusion, and then they tell you to nurse the baby, do skin to skin, because the baby being on you will help with like milk production, and the baby could draw out more milk compared to pumping it out with a machine. And it's like they tell you to do all this stuff, okay? So you do all that, and now I'm in this situation where my daughter is not taking a bottle anymore, and she did fine last week that she ate from it, and just this week she's completely fighting it. Like, she will not take it, she cries, and it just breaks my heart, and it makes me really sad that, you know, I have to do that for her, but you know, I have to go to work, and she doesn't understand why all of a sudden she can't eat from me. I am still nursing her, but I do offer the bottle first. I'm trying to be more consistent with like a morning feed so that she at least takes a bottle at least once a day, and I do try to give it to her like throughout the day as well, but then sometimes she doesn't take it, and then I just nurse her because I don't want to like stress her out too, because it's already stressful enough for her. That's like the hardest part of our day right now, is just trying to get her to take the bottle, because I just like the thought of her not wanting to eat because it's from a bottle for 10 hours while I'm at work just makes me really stressed out and makes me really anxious, and it makes me very sad too, because having that bond with your baby through nursing is something that nobody else will ever know. Being able to create that bond with them, and they know you, they trust you, they know that you are their mom, it's just such a special feeling. And like when I think about it, like I get really sad. I don't know why I'm getting emotional. I don't know if it's because I just been like keeping a lot of my feelings inside without really expressing it, or maybe like I don't know why I'm getting like emotional, but it might just be because like my feelings are finally like catching up to me. I just feel like not being able to nurse her is like being torn apart from her. And I know it's probably like so like tedious and like ridiculous in other people's eyes, like I'm crying, but I feel like I've been very upbeat my whole entire like postpartum, ever since like I gave birth to her, because I'm just so excited to be a mom and I'm so happy that I have her. And I've just been so happy that I've been able to spend every single day with her, and the thought of that changing makes me like scared on how she's gonna adjust to it. I feel bad when she cries that I can't nurse her, and she just looks at me and she doesn't understand why like I'm not comforting her, and why I have to give her this bottle, and why she has to eat from it. And I don't know, it's just a lot. Like, I'm probably just saying like the same thing over and over, but honestly my mind is just like a cluster of thoughts. Sorry for like crying in my vlog. Like, I tried not to, but I just couldn't hold my tears back, and I just wanted to let myself feel those emotions, because when we hold back our feelings, it just makes it even harder for us, and when we break down, we just break down.